Today, we're here with our team working on rebar and plumbing. This is stage 2 of the build process, and this is really where the pool starts to take its shape. We're installing 18,000 pounds of rebar into this pool. This is what gives the pool its structural integrity. As we start the plumbing process, this is where the water features come to life. We will be plumbing a 52 jet spa, a 60-foot negative edge, and 3 massive waterfalls. These features are so unique to this custom pool, and we always aim to bring a creative touch to every one of our projects.